Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add furniture into your project. When your floor plan is completed and you have all doors and windows in place, it's time to start adding furniture. We can do that in 2D or 3D mode of our project. I will start creating layouts in 2D and then I will switch to 3D to change textures. First, click on Catalog and start searching for products. You can click on any of the categories or you can simply type in what you're looking for. When you find a product that you like, you can simply drag and drop it into your project. You can also add products into your shortlist if you're not sure if that's the piece that you want to use, and then refer to your shortlist and change between the products. You can also click on View Similar and the software will show you similar items in our catalog. When you drop the piece of furniture into your project, you can click on it and you can resize it to your chosen size. Click on the product, either go to Edit and change dimensions, or simply click on Resize and resize the product. If you need more items of the same product, like for example, dining chairs, you can drop one, click on the product, resize it, and then use the clone tool and clone it. You will find the clone tool in the top center of your screen. We can also group items and then clone the group. For example, I will group these 3 chairs and I will clone them and put them on the other side of my dining table. To do that, click on one piece, click on Command if you're using Mac, otherwise Control, and select Other Products, and in top center of your screen, click on Group Products. Now your products are grouped, you can ungroup them at any point. Now I will click on Clone Tool and I will place my chairs on the other side of my table. Now we will find furniture for my bedrooms and the living room. And again, search for an item in a catalog and drag and drop it into your project. Now we can switch to 3D, change textures, add some finishing touches, but remember that if it's easier for you, you can also drop furnitures in 3D. Hope I showed you how easy it is to add furniture into your project. Now, all you need to do is to add some lighting, change textures on your floors and on your walls, and your project is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.